But hey guys, welcome to the stream. Uh, I will start with this Gandu multiplayer one. Uh, Over here, it's just a total Ramfest going on. I think this season is unbreakable. I am hoping for Ramfest today. So I need to get ahead of these Vandas, otherwise I'll be cooked. Countdown, bro. Don't want to get Choco or the first race. Wait, bro. I am gonna kill your ass today. I'm gonna ram the shit out of you, Venu Reddy. ये देख हरामी हा played you, bro. Look at this guy destroying race. Wow. Once you get ahead of this ramp phase, it is smooth sailing. Damn. Let's see. Where are you? Oh my god, you got rammed there. My god, these Vandas. Oh no, my god. Mother chod, क्या कर रहा है यार ये? Yes, go. Oh my god, Ramfest. Crazy. Total Ramfest over here, man. What was that end? All gangbang at the end, man. 4 people over there. Crazy. Using that car is like suicide, man. Crazy. कौन है भाई ये? अरे ये देखो हरामी Venu Reddy is at it. मारो ये हरामी वैंडा को. Oh my god, what was that? He directly just did a T-bone takedown on me. Come on, man. Still, this car survived. Came third. Crazy. See, if they cannot KD me, they're gonna ram the shit out of me like this. Hi Dhruv. Hey Foxy, welcome. The Zonda somehow won, yeah. Because Venu was just focusing on me. He wanted to kill me.
Hello there.
ये देख Venu Reddy हरामी. He's right behind me. Cockroach Vanda. Somehow survived there. Somehow. He was right there. Let's see. That was another Vanda. Come on. Oh no, Venu was right behind. Who wants to start it? Let's go. Okay, I will start with Ahmed. Okay, let's go. Ahmed, in your name, first pack. Let's see. Oh wow, start was good. Start is very good. Already X9. Oh, very, very good. Ahmed, so lucky. X12. That's crazy. Hey Tanishk. Let's see in your name. Sean, I will open one more in your name. Hold on, bro. Let's see after this. X6. Tanishk, at least X6. Come on, one jackpot at least, man. Not even one jackpot. I think I exhausted all of my luck in the 20 packs last time. Oh, wow. Holy fuck. I just said so. Damn, Tanishk, look at that. Not even one jackpot and I got a jackpot. Come on. Come on, man. That's crazy. Finally, one jackpot. Probably saved a lot of tokens. This car is kind of lazy in terms of barrel. This traffic is behaving like Venu Reddy. Wow, Choco. Venu Reddy traffic, here you go. I need some lot of shockwaves. Drift shockwave time. 2. ये देख भाई क्या ट्रैफिक है. Okay, this route is what they want you to take. अरे क्या AI है यार? AI just crashes into you, man. Oh, Coffin is here. Alex is also here. ये देखो भाई, उड़ गई गाड़ी मेरी. Can I even catch up? Bro, no. What is this?
I believe I can touch the sky.
What is going on, bro? I will wait. I want to see what is happening here. Finally. I fucking reached Antarctica here from Norway. Infinity and beyond, yeah. Slap in the face of the F2P players every single update. People will stop playing this game.
Fucking little bastard!
अरे नहीं यार. What the hell? This car has physics issues. अरे भाई, this car is random, man. Dead, भाई. No. This car randomly jumps. That's the problem. Very bouncy. Venu Reddy is here. चढ़ गया. Oh no, oh no, I am on top of these guys. What a race. Man, I was on top of Alex over there. Let's go again. Oh no. और ब्लॉक कर दे भाई. ये देख भाई. fucking Vandas and that McLaren. Come on. Look at that ping pong Beyblade battle going on. What in the hell? Venu Reddy and Alex had a Beyblade battle going on there. They were just doing ping pong out of each other. It was just like this. What the hell? Full violence. Bro woke up and chose violence. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. I think last race of the stream. Let's see how it is. If it ends in a Gandu game or not. Last race, it's not 12 yet, bro. I need to eat something. I need to cook. In real life, not in game. Okay, here we go. All Treon. Need to get ahead of those Vandas, otherwise we'll be blocked. Fuck, no. What the hell, bro? What's the point in this? Sad physics. They're not even in my map. -10 पक्का भाई. ब्लॉकर साला. अरे तू आ. Where is him? I want to block him. He's throwing traffic on me. Harami. I also blocked him. Oh man. Damn. Okay. This is the last race. I hope I don't just die here. Regardless, this will be the last race, I guess. 3, 2, 1. And go. Let's see. I feel that Venu is going to just kill me here. See, he's already trying his best to block me. Teda meda chala raha hai.
He's done it again!
That is a
You
foul.
fucking little bastard!
ये देखो भाई ब्लॉकर पार्क ही कर दे भाई. Why even drive? Just park, bro. Put your car in park. This guy, I'm gonna block the shit out of him. Where is he? Gonna block his ass again. Wait. Come on, man. He did it on purpose. He just wanted to block me there, and he knew that, okay, he was blocking me there. Okay, anyway, I mean, I have to go now. We'll try this shit next weekend, where we will have at least platinum cars. These cars, they are okay, but we'll see. We'll have Chiron and SF90 spam then, and we'll see. But then I think Chiron will be after the nerf. Have to just use the neutral build, I guess. Anyway, I think it was nice. Thank you guys. I'll see you next week.